Well, we made it out of staging and died again. We messed with the map sensor on top of the valve cover, and it started, and then touched it a few times and it stalled, so we figured that was it. Cleaned everything, put it back together, started twice, thought we were good to go. Got 100 yards out of staging and it died again. Next up, engine coolant temperature sensor. Part number WT5066, Fancy Auto Parts. That part is going in right down there. It goes in right in front of the engine and has some wires hooked up to it. That's your temperature sensor. That is another one of the codes that I had. So we're gonna change out that part. Got to reach in and take off that clip right there, and then that's a 19 millimeter base on it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So that's 19 millimeter at the base. This end goes inside. That's your electrical connection. It's already got the proper pipe sealant threading on it, and it's basically, again, just a thermometer that goes into the engine to keep your temperature. Then let's see if I can move that clip up. Well, that was easy. So move the clip up, then push the little tab, wiggle and pull, and that electrical component comes right out. Next up, tuck that off to the side, get your 19 millimeter deep well, put it down on top of the unit, treat it like you would a spark plug. Yeah. So I'm gonna use a 19 millimeter ratcheting wrench to work that out. Spin it by hand. Ooh. Probably gonna have to burp the system. That's the old one. Put in the new one. Push the red clip. It's locked. So, tools needed: 19 millimeter ratcheting wrench. 19 millimeter socket really wasn't necessary at all. So, one 19 millimeter ratchet. Well, that's it. It's in. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Now the big question is, will it start? Let's find out. Well, there you go. It's running. Fancy Auto Parts, BWD WT5066. New unit is in.